All right, last winter sowing video for 2022. This is gonna be vegetables. So it's April 7th, just the beginning of spring. The forecast only goes to -1 twice in like the next 2 weeks. For you people still working on Fahrenheit, I have no idea what that is, sorry. I've got 9 more containers, they're pretty big. All 9 of these containers I found on the side of my road, going into town, doing whatever. All of them were just on the side of the road in the ditch, which is pretty crazy, but I guess free containers for me. Humans are sad. Anyway, so let's see here. Some cucumbers, pickling cucumbers. I'll do some of those. I'm going to do some green bell peppers. They're called Big Bertha. I'm gonna do, what's this? These peppers, I don't know what they're called. Marconi Red F1, whatever that is. Some jalapenos. Possibly some spinach. Some broccoli. Beefy Boy hybrid tomatoes. So that will be the only like cut tomato that I'm doing. And then I've got 2 different kinds of Romas I'm gonna do in the same container. And what's this? That's something else. Okay, I'm gonna do the tomatoes in these taller ones. So we've got 2 Romas there. Beefy Boy here. Let's do Marconi pepper, jalapeno, bell pepper, and then we'll do cucumber. Oh, I will have enough. And then I will do I don't know if I want to do dill. I think I'm just gonna start dill in the house. So we'll do spinach, some pumpkins, and then I'm gonna try cannabis in winter sowing. So we'll see how that goes. All right, this is the pattern I'm following for peppers. Probably all of them tomatoes. So there's what, 8, 11 seeds. You can see I do 4, 3, 4, and hopefully that gives them enough room. And I'm not going to duplicate because I'm not going to take care of them. Like, I won't be able to thin them out because I'm not going to pay attention. Hey, Editing Cody here. If you want to see how I prepared all of these, then check out my previous video up here. And you can see how I prepared all these containers and how to plant the seeds and everything, and then duct tape them closed and all that stuff. Hey, I've got a quick little update on my winter sowing projects here. These are the first ones I did, and then those are part of the second ones. And going through, some of them have started germinating, some haven't. You can see those little guys. This one, can't see anything. That one, can't see anything. That one's got lots. Nothing. So it's kind of so far hit and miss. That's got some. The clear bottles, nothing yet. The opaque bottle actually looks like it has stuff. Lots of stuff. Oh no, just one. Up in that top right corner there. Yeah, so they're coming along, and I'll show you The vegetables I just started, I don't know when, I'll put the number of days on the screen now. But I noticed yesterday, the only one where all seeds have come up is cannabis. And then everything else, I don't know, unless some have come up today or yesterday. And then broccoli. And that soil looks pretty dry, and it just snowed yesterday. So I think I might cover up one of these holes on all of them. The ones that look dry. Yeah. So we'll see. The plants know better than me when it's time to wake up, which is the whole point of this. And then they'll be getting water and light and everything out here in the great outdoors, and you don't have to harden them off, so they should be stronger plants when you throw them in the ground. But that's it for my winter sowing videos for this year. I'm not gonna do any more. If the vegetables don't make it, they're cheap enough and you can find them everywhere, like even convenience stores now. So I will do an unboxing video when I open them all up in the spring or beginning of summer. So until then, we're about 4 weeks from our last frost date. So if you still want to do vegetables for your garden, you still have time to winter sow. And if you want to do cannabis, do it now. Apparently it works really well. It is not too late